Welcome back. Dan Cox has done it. The Republican candidate for Maryland governor filed a legal response to try and stop state officials seeking court help to count mail-in ballots early. Cox, who faces Democrat Wes Moore for the state's top post, alleges that it's a constitutional issue and that there's no true emergency for the Maryland Board of Elections to count these ballots before Election Day. DC News Now's political and government reporter Leonard Fleming joins us. You broke this story, Leonard. You know, where do things stand? You've been following this from day one. I mean, where do things stand right now? This is certainly not unexpected.
It is definitely not unexpected, Mark. Certainly, this is a big race and a big issue in the race, Mark. And Cox contends that Maryland election officials do not have a true emergency to count these ballots early. Of course, state officials claim they do because counting mail-in ballots a few days after Election Day could push certification in some races into December. Cox, of course, rejects that view. Here's what he told me earlier in the week in anticipation of the court filing.
I think the issue before Maryland are two things, really. Are we going to follow the rule of law, which says that the Constitution is the path that we have to follow for all elections, or are we going to deviate from that and start using the tool of the courts every time that somebody wants to change something that the legislature said no to? Now, there's another issue, and that is, why is it that during the counting process, and I would humbly suggest that it's an honest question, that they only count for 3 days? These mail-in ballots are counted very short time. Count them for the entire time that they need to, prior to certification, after the election is finished.
Well, Leonard, this looks like a showdown brewing between Cox and the Board of Elections. I mean, what's next? Where do you think this is going to go?
Well, good question. Montgomery County judge is scheduled to hear this case, Mark, next week and could have a decision by next Friday. And Cox, as you know, believes that the 2020 presidential election was stolen from former President Donald Trump. So perhaps this is his own way to set this up in his race against Wes Moore, that perhaps that this could be taken from him. So we'll be watching and see how this plays out in court next week.
All right, Leonard, thank you so very much. Leonard and Fleming with that report.